if you close your eyes.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys forgive me for not having been on this for a while. I know I haven't been on it for a while, but you can see my old account is right here. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to save. Well, if you already have your old account saved already, well, this is my new account. If you guys looked in the previous videos, but it's only previous video this time. My name is FBI. My name is FBI 2727. So we're gonna log into my old account. See, what you want to do is you're gonna go here. You're gonna go, if you have your account saved, you want to go to the top one, and then you want to go to the bottom one, same, and look at that, you're logged into your old account. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I will bring up an upcoming video soon. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.